Welcome to week 15, which is the last official week of classes. So thank you for going through this online conversion, and I think everything has worked out well. So this week, all that you're going to be doing is just kind of finishing up things. Last week you read through chapter 10 and finished the content of the course. So this week is just really to serve as a review. So for week 15, do be sure that you submit your instructional strategy portfolio. It's going to be due on April 30th, which is on Tuesday, I believe, this week. And yes, and so make sure that you get that submitted, and be sure to read through the final rubric. So you'll go back through and look at the comments that I gave to you on your rough draft, which was just chapters 1 to 5. So make any changes that I suggested and use those changes to guide you in adding to it. So your final portfolio should include chapters 1 through 10. And similar to the first one that you submitted, when you're going through and adding in chapters 6 through 10, it should provide you with a review for your final exam as you're going back through those chapters. So be sure to read through this rubric, make sure that the strategies are specific and in your own words, and that you've really interpreted the information and applied it to something, because my hope is that you'll use this document to guide you in the next courses that you take, and then also when you're teaching yourself. So be sure that you read through this and that you get it submitted by Tuesday of this week. And then be looking. I will be posting a review document that has the information, the topics that you need to know for that final exam. I'll be posting that here. Hopefully it should be there while you're watching this video. But it'll just be the topics that you need to know, and then also a video for information that you need to know for the final exam. And then I will be doing a live review during our class time on Tuesday. So be sure that you log in for that. The final exam is available May 7th, starting at 8 a.m. and ending at midnight, so be sure to log on during that time there in the week 16. And then let me see, just to remind myself, so your final exam review is going to be on the 2nd. So I'm sorry, that's a Thursday. So this coming Thursday, log on at 9:30. That's during our class time, and we'll be playing a game. So I'll talk a little bit about what's going to be on the exam, and specifics about the exam, and then we'll be playing a game just to help you kind of practice with some of the content for the exam. So I'll also be available to answer any questions that you might have during that time. So let me know if there's anything else, and just be sure to get your learning strategy portfolios submitted, and hope that you have a good week. Post in the class discussion board if you have any specific questions. Thank you.